Hello to all crypto traders, wherever you're watching from. Today, actually, I want to start by apologizing. I missed, I missed the breakout of the $1, guys. It was actually right at 94 or so when I saw it. Actually, earlier today was like at 70 something, 80 something, and I was like, okay, we're gonna break the $1 engine coin, right? And then we're gonna probably start moving slower down because this is probably going to be a false break, right? That doesn't necessarily mean we're going to see a drop, by the way, right? But the hype is big at the moment, and we need really to investigate what's going on with elite waves and find out if there are any opportunities in the short term, in the medium term, and in the long term. Obviously, for the long term, we all know it, there are. As usually, I will start with we are on looking at the logarithmic charts, by the way. So we're gonna go and connect our lows down here, and also connect our highs. Yeah. So our high is over here. So at this moment that we're watching the market, we are literally breaking the median regression line of this channel, which seems to suggest that the next leg up on the upside in the medium term is going to be the top of this trend line, right? We're talking about, well, it really depends when it's going to hit that, but we're looking at $5, $6, $7 in the medium to longer term, right? Now, with that said, guys, this is wave one and this is wave three, with wave two, and wave three is going to be up here. Then we're going to get four and five. It's very possible that wave three is going to break impulsively. Yeah, as we always know, it's usually wave three that breaks regression channels, but we're not there yet. Okay, let's just investigate what's happening in the shorter term. Before we go there, just a quick analysis on the current structure that we are seeing, right? Over here, guys, we've got an A, B, and a C correction, yeah? And as you can see, that correction lasted quite a bit, okay? So that correction, we go from first down to the last. We're talking about 983 bars, and we're at no 8 hour chart. This is nearly 1 year, right? This correction, 327 days. Now, that's done and dusted. So we'll have to look at this in internal structure. This is wave one. This is wave two. And, well, three, four, and five. Okay, we're not sure if we've gotten the wave three yet, but we're going to have a look on the potential opportunities here, okay, of having that completed or not. Now, the internal structure, I will be looking at the corrections, right, because the impulses are pretty clear. Over here, we've got, it looks like we've got a W, X, and Y, okay, over here. And that is going to be on the minute degree, guys. Yeah, and what I'm looking here is a W, X, and Y, which contains a zigzag, yeah, over here, ABC, a flat in X, and a triangle, running triangle, if you may, in wave Y over here with an overthrown. Okay, that's what we see over here. And then we've got the continuation 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Again, a clear upside move with 1, 2. We want 3, 4, and 5 in order to end the impulse wave in 3, right? The question is, what is really happening now in the shorter term? So let's have a quick look on what really is going to happen in the minute degree. As you can see, guys, we did the 161 extension of waves 1 and 2 over here, yeah? 1 and 2. Now, the question is, are we going down for wave 4? Or are we going to see a small correction and continue up to 182 or so, okay? Actually, allow me to add also the 200 Fibonacci extension, yeah? If we break 125, we go to 147. If we break 147, we go to 182. If we break 182, and most likely then we head for 2.3, then 2.7, okay? So, with that in mind, I think it might be a good idea to move a little bit lower down on the 2 hour chart. So what we want to do, yeah, go down on the 3 hour. We want to measure now wave 1 and 2, okay? See what sort of correction we did over here. We did the 61.8 Fibonacci extension, okay? To me, guys, this suggests that the correction in wave 4, once we do wave 3, obviously, right, is going to be shallow. It's going to be to the 38.2. But before we do that, let's focus a little bit on the minute degree. Yeah, the minute degree we did probably, well, the 50 maybe. Well, we did the 61.8, okay, between waves 1 and 2. Now, if wave 3 is in at 1.61 extension, because we did the 125, that would suggest that we're going to get a correction down to the 38.2, right? The 38.2, guys, is the 91 cents, okay? And then you might ask, so are you saying we're going to fall below the $1 again? I'm saying it's probable and it's possible, okay? This is not investment advice. We're here to analyze the markets and educate the ones that are not really familiar with what's happening in the crypto markets. Going down to the 91, guys, still keeps us above this median regression channel. So we'll remain bullish. We'll remain bullish as long as we are above this channel, but we still remain bullish if we move below. What I want to see the 67 cents holding, okay? 67, it's the lowest low, in my opinion, that we can get from ENJIN against the tether, of course, like forever from now on, okay? In case we go there. So what I'm looking really is to see whether we're going to decline from 107 down to 1 again, okay? Because potentially we could see the prices, you know, receiving a rejection at the $1, because that one handle, of course, is a very, very strong psychological hurdle, right? This huge candle, for now, you know, we did 50%, we did that upside and we did 50% retracement, right? What we want, guys, so that you know how to read candles as well, yeah, we did the 61. We want ideally, yeah, ideally to end above 1.09 if we want to consider this particular 2-hour candle as bullish. If the volumes are below, it's going to be a bullish case as well, but in the medium term, which means that most likely we're going to see this continue down to below 1, yeah, and perhaps bouncing down at this trend line around 82 or so, and then continue higher. As I said before, yeah, the continuation higher, guys, we're looking at least, well, for the time being, for the medium term, you know, we're looking at 1.8, 2.3, 2.7, and then, you know, we're looking at 4 and 5 once wave 3 comes in and 4 comes in and 5 comes in, okay? So that will be all for the day. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. If you did, I would appreciate if you appreciate by showing it with the clicking the like button. Also, if you subscribe, obviously you'll be able to turn on your notifications and don't miss another video, because these videos apparently and understandably are quite important, because, guys, here I'm not, as you understand, you can try and see who I am and what I do and my credentials, my trajectory. I'm not here to scam anyone or to sell a product. So keep that in mind when you visit my channel. So thanks for watching. Cheers and goodbye.